guys, Lush here from Beyoutiful Lush Us Fashion, ready to get this live going. This week's live feature is all about the Leopard, the other wild cats. So let's get into it. So the first item that I have here for you today is the leopard head bangle. The leopard head bangle. It is an open, it's an open bangle, and it has just a series of leopard or cheetah, whichever you choose to call the animal, because we all confuse it because really they both have spots, so everybody confuses the two. So this is the leopard head bangle. So let's take this off and show this to you. This is the leopard bangle. This is open. It's very lightweight. It is black and gold. This is the only variation that it comes in, is the black and gold leopard head. Next item I have for you is the leopard head cheetah tassel necklace. And it's, I believe it hangs like 18 inches, something like that. So it comes in gold and black, and it's hollow in the back, so it's lightweight. Two different pieces, so it can open up, and it is not in camera right now, but you can also turn it into if you don't like the longer pendant necklaces, you can, I guess, hey baby, okay. Say hi. Hi, Stinks. Let me pull this braid apart. Yep, because that's what he does. He likes to pull mommy's work apart. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Where you going? You going bye-bye? So if you don't like the long pendant necklaces, you can turn it into like more of a choker style. Choker style. So, and you just swing that onto the back, so it appears as like a double necklace. And then it's now shorter. And it looks like two necklaces. So if you don't like the longer pendant style necklace, you can always shorten it to make it a shorter necklace. And let me take this off so I can show it to you. So this is the face. It has rhinestones on his nose. It has rhinestones all over his face, scattered all over. And it has a tassel at the bottom. And it is two pieces. If I can open it up for you. Two separate pieces here, which gives it the blacked out face. So if you wanted to take it off, you could, but why? It's so pretty as it is. The next item I have for you is the leopard head dangle earring. So it comes in two variations. It comes in silver and gold. And this is the silver. So it has an ear wire hook. It has blacked out. It isn't two pieces. It's only one piece. But it does have like all the blacked out eyes and that. And it's hollow. Hollow backing. And it is a dangle earring. Next, the leopard head, and I put it on backwards. The leopard head bracelet. It has the blacked out, it has the black backing, and so it's hollow in the middle, which makes it really, really lightweight. It has rhinestones all across its face. It has multiple chains on each side of it. I had the terriblest time putting it on, which is why it is upside down. So it has a lobster claw clasp closure. And this is the face. Isn't it gorgeous? The rhinestones all across his face. And the black backing. And it is hollow, so it's very lightweight. And it has multiple little chains extending across it. The extendo chain to make it as long or as short as you need it to be with the lobster claw clasp for closure. That's the leopard head bracelet. The last item that I have for you today is the rhinestone nose leopard head necklace. So the leopard head tassel necklace only comes in gold, and the leopard head rhinestone nose only comes in silver. So it is also a pendant style. It's long. It's silver. It has rhinestones on its nose only, and it is hollowed out. And it is, the back is black. So it is not two pieces like the tassel necklace, but this is it. This one comes in silver. So you can also do the same thing. If you don't like long pendants, you can make it shorter, like a double necklace to shorter. And this also has the lobster claw clasp. So, swing it around. And that is how you make it more of a choker style. Like a double necklace choker style. And that is it. That is the last item I have for you. I'm going to show it to you much closer. The leopard head in silver. Rhinestones on the nose. It is actually, it's hollow. So it's like the nose is open, the ears are open, and it has holes throughout it. And it has like a black piece in the middle, and then it's hollow in the back too. So this, again, hollowed out jewelry is always lightweight. And this is the pendant. It's a pendant style because it's longer, but you can always shorten it to make it any length that you want. And you can shorten it more than one way. So if you do it that way, the double chain, if you don't want to shorten it that way, then you can always just bring it up on whichever link in the chain that you want, and just tuck the rest of the chain to make it as long or as short wherever you want it to sit. And just tuck the chain in your shirt. Right? That's it. So it's more than one way for you to shorten this if you don't like the longer pendant style necklaces. So all of these items can be found on bluffjewelry.com, BLUF jewelry.com, 1F, which stands for Beyoutiful Lush Us Fashion, the jewelry business name. So bluffjewelry.com, you can find every last one of these items. Actually, this item which I forgot to mention, is a new product. I will be adding this item to the website today. So look for it. It's coming. This will be added to the website today. This is a new item, the leopard head dangle earring. Because I also have a leopard head stud earring. If you don't like the dangle effect, did I ever put it on? I don't think I did. If you don't like the dangle effect, I also have a stud earring. So that comes in silver and gold. So bluffjewelry.com, in the search bar, enter leopard. And every last leopard item that I have will pop up for you, along with every item listed today that I showed you today. With the exception, if you go right now, with the exception of the leopard dangle earring that I will be uploading soon, because it's a new product. It's a new product to bluffjewelry.com today. So I will be adding that for you guys. If you have any questions, come check me out every Friday. Every Friday I'm here. I will show you different items every Friday. So that is all. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you.